Here we come to the elevators in the east parking garage at University of Houston, Texas. These are modernized Schindler 400A traction elevators with PTL fixtures. Five. Gosh, it is hot in here. One. It's just your basic elevator. Oh, and here's this elevator car right here. Caught it just the perfect timing. Five. It takes forever to level. My gosh, that took forever. That was slow. That is one of the most slowest leveling that I have ever been on in my whole life. I mean, look how long it just took to level. Anyways, you can barely see a view into the campus right there. I might get another ride on the other elevator car so we can get a much better view. Your fixtures. These were obviously modernized. I mean, the fixtures were definitely replaced. Oh my gosh, look how slow this is. That is one of the most slowest leveling that I have ever seen in my whole life. Goodness, that took forever. Anyways, I'm gonna send this up. And are you going up? Here you go. Oh, okay. All right, we're gonna take the next elevator car this time. I mean, my gosh, that elevator car just took so long to level. We're gonna get a ride in this elevator car again. Let's see how it works in 4K mode. Door operator's obviously original. Oh, I didn't set the 4K mode, I'm sorry. I guess what we will do is we're gonna watch the numbers going up, and after that we will look out the view going down. Sorry I didn't hit the button soon enough. Why is the segment light always flashing through the camera screen? That is just something. It's not like this when I had my original iPhone 12 Pro Max. I might go for one more ride facing directly towards the view to U of H. This one levels a lot faster than the other one. All right, we're gonna go back down to 1 because it's getting hot here. It's definitely getting hot in this thing. I really love this. I really love this view. I really hope you guys enjoyed it too. All right, here we are at 1. Before we go, see up the shaft up there. All right, there it goes, and that's it.